and like serious off-road. It's an apocalypse car. It's got a giant gas tank. I literally got it because I had like, I don't trust LA.
Yeah.
I'm like, if shit goes sideways, you got to be able to drive over these hills.
Yeah.
Like I need something that can get me the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
Like something like if you're on a road and then like did you hear about those people that died in California? This is not, I don't think you could have done anything in this circumstance, but they were trapped on a road during a wildfire. And the wildfire was moving so fast, it killed everybody that was in the road.
No.
Burned them alive in their cars.
That's where you get a Land Cruiser.
Yeah, but even then, it wouldn't have helped. It was a bad example.
You're trapped.
I would have been trapped there too. But the point is, like, if you have a car, you can't go that way or that way. Like, you're not going over hills. You know, but if you have like a legitimate 4-wheel drive off-road vehicle, it opens up a lot of terrain to you. You can move around better.
Yeah.
And just a dumb thought, but I was like, okay, and also steel all around it. So like if someone plows into me from the side, they're going right into those giant steel rock sliders.
Yeah.
Everything's metal around you. So it's really good for side impacts.
How much longer until you get a jetpack?
I'm not getting a jetpack.
Come on, dude.
No, I will not be an early adopter.
Oh, I
do. I don't skydive.
If I had the money, I would jetpack the fuck everywhere.
They only go for. I knew this dude back when I used to do the radio in Denver, and they had this this fucking guy who's a jetpack guy. And this guy had been using these experimental jetpacks, and he had no knees. His knees were destroyed.
Because you have to land with
Because he kept fucking blowing his knees out.
Yeah.
But this guy kept doing it. So, like, before the launch, this guy has to strap his knees in. So he has, like, these crazy braces and strapping his knees down and Velcroing this. I go, what are you doing? And he goes, dude, I blown both my knees out. They're both useless. But he's still flying around in this fucking jetpack.
I would do it.
And it could only,
yeah.
back then, it could only go up in the air for 30 seconds.
Yeah, but now they last a long time. I saw
long
the
do they
dude doing
last?
it over you have to look it up how long I saw a guy doing it like over a body of water. Legitimately, it looked like 2 minutes. He was just chilling above the water.
They have some with wings now. Have you seen the ones with wings?
No.
Yeah.
See, dude, this is what I want.
They caught some dude flying around near the airport with it. There was like reports of him.
In restricted airspace.
Yeah,
Like
it
the
was
one
like
place you can't go.
Near where jets go. This fucking crazy ass
Psycho. I want to
doing
be near
ecstasy.
jets.
Imagine doing ecstasy and flying around in a jetpack.
Oh, fuck
LAX jetpack mystery. Pirates report seeing man with jetpack flying near planes above LA. That's so wild.
See, that's awesome.
Remember I used to have a joke about it. Where the fuck are the jetpacks? Like this was in like 2005.
Well, we're here.
I thought we'd have jetpacks and robot fuck dolls. That's what I thought we'd have
Did
by
you
now.
see the,
Well, you were 2 for 2, man.
this car?
Close. What?
Air car?
What is
It
this?
shows at CES.
Oh my
It
god!
says it works, and I don't know how we're gonna use it, but it's a 4-seater air car. It's
Wait,
like a
it-
drone.
Does
but
it not have a video of it of a test of like a test run
I
or some
believe
shit?
It does, yeah.
Fuck
It says
yeah.
pre-order. I ain't pre-ordering shit, bro. I need to hear some reports.
Yeah, dude,
It's
test
like
it
a-
out, man. Take it for a couple trial
It's
runs.
just like an Uber version of it. Like if
What?
you're
So you
taking
could
an
just
Uber.
get it?
Oh, that's cool.
This is the
You remember
video.
that rental
It's not
car
good.
company? Does that company still around? Where you had an app and you could just rent a car and they would drive it right to you?
Yeah, I think so.
They're still around?
That's cool
Look
how
at
it
this fucking
transforms.
thing.
Yeah, it's a drone. It's like a drone car.
Oh my god! And drones today. Have you seen those competitions where they have like drone competitions?
It's
Where they
unreal.
have cones and poles and holes you have to fly through, and they.
Dude,
Those things are incredible now.
Get stoned and watch the ones where they go through the buildings. That dude, it's like you're on a ride. It'll go through building windows, sideways, flip upside down, go through different hallways. Like this shit is
whoa.
insane.
That would be so dope in VR.
Yeah, that's what I mean. He'll flip upside down, go through another little tiny
my
holes.
God.
That's how
Look
they're
at the
controlling
control.
it. They have a headset on, like a VR headset, and they're watching it in first person.
Oh my god, the control this guy has is incredible.
Yeah, it's unreal.
These things are amazingly agile.
So this is
See if you can find those competitions, Jamie. Like, because I was watching them on Instagram the other day, where these guys were flying through doorways and little, like they had made a doorway, and it's like they have an obstacle course. Oh, this one's all lit up with neon.
That's so cool.
Oh my god, this
I
is
don't know
amazing.
how hard it'd be to memorize the course to know where the turns are, because
Well, you remember when
so
we used to play
fast.
Quake? Dudes would memorize maps.
yeah, I guess
Right,
it's, you just
same
do it
thing.
over and over
Yeah,
again.
guys would.
Well, this looks like he's following that light. Do you see that light in front of him?
There's probably one in front.
That's like
yeah.
a trail in front of him. So maybe that's
I know they also have they have this. I also saw someone doing a fishing sim, where he had a real life fishing pole hooked up to a device that was tracking like a tuna he was pulling. But they have these also where you can just practice this with a real handset, and you're flying it like it would be, but it's all fake. It's all on a computer.
The first question I'd be like, so when I crash this, what does it cost? Because I'm crashing that fucking thing immediately.
Oh, yeah.
That's so hard.
Well, to get to this guy's level, you have to fuck around with regular drones for a long time.
What do they cost? I literally don't know.
Couple thousand. There's another thing I just saw. It looked like a very goofy video online. I'll try to find it real quick. It's like these, but they're attached to a cord like a kite, and it's a league where you're racing someone. They do dog fights.
But you know, it's literally like everything else. Like we were just practicing driving golf balls out there earlier.
Fun.
I can't even hit it. I'm missing. I'm whacking the ground. I can't. I don't know how to do it. And we're all. You guys are giving me pointers and shit, but I don't. I've never done it. I've done it. Went to Top Golf a couple times. Just whack the ball. I don't know what I'm doing. But when I'm watching you guys, it's fascinating. I'm like, how are you doing it? Because you hit it so fucking hard.
I was trying to show off for Jamie a little bit. I'm not gonna lie.
You can drive a fucking golf ball. That shit is impressive as fuck. Your technique is amazing.
I want you to come with me.
So smooth.
I would love for you to see it live.
I want to see it live because Jamie talks a lot of shit. I want to see you, Jamie, and Hinchcliffe going at it.
Fuck yeah.
But
I'm saying
get baked and drive the car.
Hell yeah. If you see pros live though, I don't know if you've ever seen pros in person, but it's the way that you're even this gap of you being like, I don't ever golf, and then you're like, wow, dude, you're good at that. When I watch those guys, it's the same feeling when you go to professional sports and you're like, that's unfucking real how good they are. It's shocking to watch live.
And if you are really good yourself and you are really good at golf, then you can really appreciate it.
Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah.
Whereas I can kind of appreciate it, but I don't know what's going on. It's sort of like with the UFC.
Right.
Right? Like when dudes scramble on the ground and like someone's like an elite jiu-jitsu black belt, the people that are like practicing jiu-jitsu are like, holy shit, look at that guy.
Yeah.
Like Charles Oliveira. Watch how he cinches this up. Holy shit.
Right.
You know, when you see like golfing, or we had this guy, Fedor Gorst, came in. But how old's Fedor? 23?
22?
22?
I think so, yeah.
22, 23 years old. If not the best pool player in the world, top 3 for sure. We came in here and we played him on that table. It was wild.
Did you stand a little bit of a chance?
I won the first 2 games.
Oh, really?
I ran out the first game and I won the second game.
Take that, Fedor.
I got lucky. Well, he gave me a shot in the first game. Like, I think he broke and didn't have a shot on the object ball. He pushed out and I ran out.
Where's he from?
Something like that. Or he missed, I ran out. I forget. He's from Russia originally. And he's got a green card playing pool in the United States. But, dude, he is incredible. Like, the level between me and him,
right?
Who's like, I'm like a B player. You know, probably like you are in golf. I'm like a B player.
Yeah.
And then watching him play, like, holy fuck, man.
It's a different world.